Good morning, friends. I'm going to show you how Suri's earnings calendar works. This is the trading app which you can download it freely from TradeStation. Suri's earnings calendar reads an npearnings.csv file, which is actually located on the file on your directory on your C drive, and then it actually reads it and displays the file. So first is let me just show you how it works, and then actually show you how to install it and how to use it. So the first is, when you install the earnings calendar from Trading App Store, you can just go ahead and it will install and it will show you and it'll say that Suri earnings calendar, and then you can just click on this application, and then I guess it's an app, and then you will be able to see this. It has got two views, and one is a like a horizontal view and the one is a vertical view. I call it a vertical view is the one which actually puts up into different columns, and it will show you, for example, this coming week, let's say it's starting from 15th, but today the being a holiday, you'll see this being in a different colors, and you can change these colors by using a click on this format and trading app, and you can change the fonts and colors. And the key thing is the location of the where it's reading the npearnings.csv file. So that's where I think seems like some of you had issues, but this is required because this file, the my trading app itself does not go and get the earnings dates. It reads it from your own um, PCs, some directory wherever you put that npearnings.csv file, and then it fetches that, and then it displays it. So this is like, what I call it, it's like almost like a viewer of the data. So let me show you quickly where it is. So for example, here, what we have is if you go to the format and trading app, you will see the location of the file. The location is, it says you have this npearnings.csv file located in a directory called c:/suri.dll. You don't need to put it into suri.dll. You can just put it into C drive itself, and then it will read it from there, or you can keep it in anywhere, any location on your computer. So let me quickly show you where it is. Some of my directory here. I'm just going to show you suri.dll. It has got a lot of files, but the key file is this npearnings.csv. npearnings.csv is the file which actually reads it reads it, for all the dates. So in fact, I wanted to show you that NP earnings too. So let me quickly show you that. So this is the file which it looks like this, and here you can actually clearly see, like each of these symbol which is collected it's collected actually in 2-1, and I probably should get it more. And then it just says that that's the earnings date and when is it coming out and that type of information. So once we have that, once you locate that, keep the file, and then all that it is it just reads it from that place and displays the file, and that's about it. And you can move it to different months, and you can see it like whatever dates you have. It has the dates all the way until April. You could also see this in the January, of course, the past month it still hasn't collected some of them, and that's about it. And so let me quickly show you where do you get the information about how you can actually collect this information. And if you go to the on the TradeStation forums, you'll see a place where it says indicated to show the next earnings date, and this is kindly supplied by the guru. That's his ID. I do not know him, but I have taken the permission to use the DLL and to produce this information. So you could get this DLL information and how to download it using a radar screen. All that information is there. In addition to that, you can also see my post. Where I actually talk about how I use this earnings calendar app, and then you can download all this information, and you can see it's so time to time I post this NP earnings file, and then I'll show you some few updates or anything like that, and then I documented all this information for you. All right, that's about it, sir. Thank you.